Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. It's an intraday video update for a Bitcoin, and after seeing a massive down trend for a Bitcoin and due to the recession and the psychology and the fear market, so we are expecting, of course, a further downside. And of course, in these stressful times now, it would be much more secure to stay outside the market a little bit until the things calms down. Of course, no financial advice here, but unfortunately there is no target for this downtrend. That's the problem. That's why I would say, okay, it would be better to wait for a range and start to read it, right? However, as an intraday, it's hard also to go to the 1 hour micro inside this very strong trend, because we're gonna see only one line for the 1 hour almost. However, I spoke today in the video that we might see another leg towards the downside, and of course that's why, because of the volume that we see as well here, right? Because the highest amount of the volume is still in this area, right? So we don't see yet a lower volume going down, so we are expecting more prices, lower prices, right? And as we spoke, that this price here has touched the 886, right, of the previous lower price. So we are expecting, of course, to retake this price and even go down further. Now, as we said, that the support level is now we are at 0.5, and we are expecting to take this support level again, right, as we spoke now, and your next support will be the 0.618 at 43,700. It's not, of course, sure that it's gonna take the full support, right, onto the support. Maybe it will move even lower. We don't know, because as we said and mentioned today in the video, there is no target. Like it's just dumping now, right? It's kind of like the fear who's ruling here. It's all about emotions, right? However, in the wave 4, right, we can see here of the expanded diagonal that we spoke about. You can see exactly here. We start to see kind of like a 1, 2, and 3, maybe a high volume, right? A high volume for the wave 3, and we are looking for a wave 4, and then one more wave 5 towards the downside, right? With a lower amount of volume, which is typical impulse, right? We want to see high volume on the wave 3 and lower volume on the wave 5, which makes it much more clearer, right? This impulse might have that. Of course, don't forget about the extension, and etc. So it's not clear when this impulse is gonna end. Okay, so this is the thing. That's why I cannot say, okay, it's gonna end after this wave 5, right? So this is the scenario. Also, to repeat, we are looking at an expanded diagonal, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which make it 5 waves towards the downside, and a potential wave 2, and then move forward towards the downside again. Another option is a wave A, right, with 5 waves, and then 3 waves for B, and then 5 waves towards the downside again. In that case, once we reach the 0.618 in any of these options, right, whether for 5, or the ABC, or the impulse towards the downside, once we reach this level, that means that the impulse, the main impulse here, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is invalid, right? Kind of is invalid. Now it could continue as diagonal, probably, all right? Probably if we can continue like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 somehow. However, with a diagonal, I doubt that we can reach even the 100K, right? So this is the idea. So this is it for the intraday, guys. Trade safe, of course. The downtrend is not ended yet, right? And of course, if we are still looking for a wave 4, our last chance is to not go so deeper, right? And anyway, for a wave 4, which is less possibility still, right? If we are in wave 4 and we are looking for the upside. So this scenario could still be available only if we take this as an A, then the B is towards the upside like this, and we are looking for a C here, which is impulsive. However, it's still very low scenario, low possibility, because if the C touch here, we don't need this 4 anymore, right? Who needs it? Yeah, for the impulse, right? We are looking for something else then. So this is the thing. And by the way, for the pitchfork here, I would like to mention that, okay, the price went out and it's typical for wave 4 to go out of the channel. However, yeah, it would be nice just to keep the price over this level. Okay, if that happens, the possibility of going higher again could come back, right? Could come back. So we're gonna see the range, what's gonna happen, and then we talk about the 100K again. Now we are talking about lower prices, unfortunately. Okay, guys, so that was it for the intraday. I hope that you like it. If you did, please press the like button. And if you did not subscribe for the channel, of course, check if you did. And thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.